Hey y'all, it's Ernie here with Oli App, and just want to first start off by, on behalf of the entire Oli App team, just really giving a big shout of thank you to everyone who has made the initial launch of the app so successful. Your encouragement, your support, you Young Living ladies, it means a lot. Just wow, this response has been great, and we thank you very much. It's been quite an experience the last few months, as some of us have got to come home from work thanks to Young Living and our awesome wives and our awesome teams and our awesome upline. So we are so proud of and thankful for all of that. But that allowed some oldie dads to get together and to try to take some of our previous work expertise and knowledge and to try to help you Young Living ladies, because let's face it, you ladies are the ones who've done the brunt of the work. You guys have taken the charge to change the health and wellness of multiple tens of thousands of people, and we just were amazed at what God has done through your efforts. And so this is a small way that we want to begin to help and encourage you, to give you some more resources to empower you, to help you, to make you feel more confident, and hopefully to give a little bit more success to your business efforts. Or if you're just an oil user and you enjoy them, that you would find benefit and encouragement and increase of knowledge so that you can share with others too, Young Living essential oils. So I wanted to take a minute, just a second here, and talk about the philosophy of why we started with the Premium Starter Kit, and then we're going to go into a little bit of where we've been, as the movie title says, is looking behind, looking ahead, and then we'll go into what's coming up, some exciting things that are coming. So Premium Starter Kit, we started because, first of all, the Premium Starter Kit, every person in Young Living ideally has that in common, whether you're a new oil user, an experienced oil user, whether you're a business builder. We direct people towards encouraging them to purchase the Premium Starter Kit because it's the best value, it's the best bang for your buck, and the best introduction to the awesome oils that we're so excited about. Besides, however, just the Premium Starter Kit as a point of starting, we also have, of course, in there the suggested uses for the oils. We have also frequently asked questions. So we also have the business building part. You've probably seen how to share, and so that'll be business FAQs, some websites which we'll be adding to, website resources, and then of course the videos. If you haven't had a chance to take a look at the videos, I can't encourage you enough to do that. That's just a start. We have, I don't know, 15 or 20 more perhaps already in preparation and ready to go to add at some point in the future, sooner rather than later. And those are fantastic videos on understanding Young Living business building concepts and finding encouragement sometimes when you hit that wall in trying to build your business. So make sure and check those out. We wanted to give you, with focusing on the Premium Starter Kit, and besides the business building tools as well, something that you could take right away to your Young Living classes, because there you are, you're teaching, and you can give something to someone who's going to be obviously new to the oils, and by doing so, you're going to encourage them that here's just another resource that empowers them to understand the oils, to use them, and then to go out and share with others, because we're not a resource to ourselves, right? And we don't want to communicate that you have to have tremendous amounts of knowledge before you can even share. No, here we see that we all have resources. We all have things that help us, and so the app is another way. When you teach a class, you can introduce them to it. You can just give one more resource to others to help them sharing the oils. So let's look ahead for a moment. The website, first of all, something that's coming to that, we're in the works planning for a dashboard, so you'll be able to go in. Right now the app is good. Each paid account is good for up to 3 devices, whether that's Android or iPhone. So you'll be able to have a dashboard. You can go in, see your devices, your payment information. You'll be able to edit your devices. So if you trade your phone in, you need to delete that device. Well, you can do that, and then when you open the app up on your new device, it will automatically be re-added to your account, so that way you can move it between phones if you need to. The app itself, of course, we're going to be adding lots more Young Living products. We have so much to add. You guys have pointed that out. We knew that coming in, and we are very excited to map out a plan for adding all kinds of Young Living products, just fantastic resources that we all want to know more about and have at our fingertips to use and to understand. However, we also want your involvement, not just through the surveys and the forums, but we're going to be launching something next week where we're going to take your input and your feedback For example, next week we'll begin taking feedback for your favorite Young Living recipes, entrees, desserts, whatever it may be. And then those recipes will end up showing under another category on the app, and we'll have to categorize them and make selections, and you'll actually see some of your recipes, and we'll give shout outs to y'all in the app. So some of your stuff will actually be in there, and we have all kinds of categories to do that for. And that's kind of a way to add a personable touch that maybe you guys will enjoy, and it's stuff that you want because you give us the feedback that these things are what is important to you. So coming updates, we will address some, the first update, we're going to address some scrollable issues with iOS 7. And there's been one or two people on iOS 8 who said they've had some scrolling issues, but pretty much everybody on 8 has been fine. So that first update will address a few scrolling issues. You ladies caught a few grammar issues, so we're getting those. We're having the app proofed by a professional proofer, and so we'll get that knocked out. And we're going to be adding a few more resources just for the first update. But then after that, the rest of the updates are going to be focused on enhancing the functionality and enhancing the resources of the app, because obviously as you get more resources, you need enhanced functionality to navigate, find quickly, and make more of efficient use of the app. So as we look forward to the future, we thank y'all for your support. We're excited, and there's a lot coming. So hang in there and enjoy the app now as it is, and we look forward to your help to make it an even better mobile app so that you can effectively share Young Living essential oils with the world.